which situation you are is not important. If someone asks me what is the most important law on this earth, I wanna say nothing is important. This is fantastic, guys. This is, it's changed everything in your life. When nothing is important for you, after that you can live, you can decide, and you can be in this moment. And this is the paradox. This is the paradox is happening on this earth. Most of the people are trying hard. Most of the people are, they wanna change everything. They wanna impact on this earth, but this is not working. This is not working. When you are here, when you behind your mind, when you are behind your mind, you can decide, you can live, and after that you can change everything. And something behind your mind, if you don't do anything, you are changing everything. If you don't do anything, and it's not possible. In my opinion, when you are in this moment, you become to yourself. And when you are yourself, when you are talking from yourself, you become creative. And this is really fantastic. You become creative. And creative, we have a creative is standing on this society we are living in it. And I don't agree with this creative that most of the people are talking about that. I think it doesn't call creative. It's another thing. Creative is coming when you understand who you are. Creative is coming when you are behind your mind. Before that, you are like other people. Before that, you are not yourself. You think money is the most important thing, and you are like other people. And it's a huge expectation, it's a huge space between two types of creative. One creative comes from the society, one creative is coming from behind your mind. This is really weird. I mean, now if I want to talk about myself, I don't want to say I understood completely this subject, but sometimes I can feel it, I can sense it, because this is really amazing when you become calm, when you become calm, when your frequency of your mind is coming down, when you are here. Maybe you are listening to me, but you are not here. This is the paradox. This is the difference between people. And 99% of people are not aware about this subject, because this is this is I don't know how I can say, but this is something in yourself. And someone says, if you want to hide something, you have to substitute it on somewhere that is really famous, or that is really predictable and particular. If you want to hide something, substitute on somewhere that is really predictable. Everyone can see that. And I think this is true about this subject. This is true. And this subject is just yourself. It's just me. All is one. We are together. We are together. And meditation in this process helps you a lot. Always I talked about that. But you have to understand it. And I can just say this is your path of your life. This is the way of your life. And I can't say you have to do that. No. But something is really predictable. Something is really, you can touch with it. And this is yourself. You are always alone. You are always alone. Maybe you are living with your family. You are in a group of people. But something is happening inside of yourself. Always. You can't say no. No, it's not possible. You are alone. And when we are talking about aloneness, it doesn't mean you have to be alone. You have to leave your group, your family. No, it doesn't mean. But if you're the path of your life, yes, you have to do that. But I mean about loneliness is something that is always with you and you don't remember. And it's your problem. It's your problem. So creative comes when you become calm. This is the law of this nature. And for this reason, when you are in Instagram or in other social medias, they are talking about motivation. This is not working, guys. Motivation, it's a stupid thing, and it's not working. You don't need to be motivated. You have to become calm. You have to become calm, and with just the motivation, you can't do anything. Just move on in your life, in the path of your life. Just move on. You don't need to look at the back of yourself. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. Now, as I always said, your freedom, your treatment, your remedy now is able for you. You don't remember. And one of the great sentence, one of the great shortcut that helps you to be in this moment, to change everything, it's nothing is important. when I'm talking with my brother always talks about this sentence. And this is really fabulous. Nothing is important. But just think about it. Because you have just this moment in your life. You can't do anything. If someone passed away, okay, that's it. If you have lots of problem in your life, okay, now I have this moment. You can make it to a terrible thing. But when you are calm, when your frequency of your mind is in this moment, when your frequency of your mind is living in this moment and it's coming down, something, a fantastic thing is happening in your life. This is the end of this video, and again, I'm repeating, remember who you are and remember this shortcut for yourself. Just save it in your mind, repeat it. Nothing is important. And with repetition, you can't do anything. But when you live with this sentence, when you, I got it. You know, it's a huge difference between a person says, I got it, or a person say, you know, you have to realize it. Okay, I want to correct my sentence. Got it and realizing, understanding, these are really different with each other. I want to say, please realize it and say it. Realize it. It comes from your practice, from your meditation. Nothing else. I love you. Goodbye.